Hey everyone, welcome back to Ormsby Farm. My name is Casey. So when I was thinking about a video to do right before Thanksgiving, I was like, okay, so I did an entree, I did an appetizer, and I did a dessert. What else is left? Drinks. Now, disclaimer, I am not saying that you have to drink when you're around family. If you enjoy a drink, by all means, have a drink. If you don't, by all means, don't. Let's be respectful in the comments. And I'm going to do 3 popular of my favorite holiday drinks. Today, we're going to do a pumpkin pie martini. We're going to do an apple and pecan flavored old fashioned, and we're going to use my pear cider that we did a couple videos ago and have a hot pear cider drink. So if that's something that interests you, stick around.
I'm coming home.
Alrighty, y'all. So the first drink that I am going to do is a pumpkin pie martini. So in a mason jar, now normally I would do this in a shaker, but I wanted something clear so y'all could kind of see what was in there. So I'm kind of bootlegging it, but it's okay. So in the glass jar, I have 1 tablespoon of pumpkin puree. I have a teaspoon of sugar and a half a teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice. Now you can buy the pumpkin pie filling in the jar, and it's just a tablespoon and a half of that. And then I have a tablespoon, maybe a little bit more of heavy whipping cream. So what I'm gonna add to that is I'm using mini bottles, just so it's the perfect amount. One of the mini bottles of the vodka, I'm just gonna pour it straight into the other mixtures. I have some ice in here, so I'm gonna pour the ice over the top, close it up, we're gonna flip it around. And then we're gonna pour it into our glass. I wanna get up real close to it. Now you can garnish it with a cinnamon stick or just have it like this. So oh my God, that's so good. It's very rich. It's delicious. Alrighty, so my next drink is actually my pear cider. And I did my pear cider in another video, so if you have not seen that video, click right up here. But I'm going to teach you not necessarily how to make the cider itself, but how to assemble it at the end. So I like to get a, a nice pretty mug. Again, mini bottles, you want spiced rum. Now you can use other things, but the best thing is spiced rum. You're going to pour the spiced rum straight into the cup. What I like to do is I like to pour my cider in a measuring cup and heat it up. Get it back to boiling. I canned it, so it's been sitting down, it's been cold down there. So I heated it back up and I literally just pour right over the rum, making sure to get all the good stuff in there. And that was a cup. To fill it up, I always do a cup of cider, a shot of the spiced rum, and a cinnamon stick. Let's see. Let's try it. This is the best thing on a cold night. And you really don't even have to put any liquor in it at all. You can really just have the apple cider, the pear cider by itself. One thing that I also want to mention is our pear cider recipe is in our cookbook, our holiday cookbook. if you want to head over to our Etsy shop and pick one up. Right, so this one I have you down because it's a little more complicated. So with this, we're going to be doing a fall flavored old fashioned, and I have had this, I have whiskey in here because I don't really do bourbon, even though an old fashioned is bourbon. I put pecans in the glass and poured this apple Jack Daniels over it 24 hours before. And you strain the liquid. You can toss the pecans however you want to do it. And now we're going to get started because this is an apple pecan flavored old fashioned. Now, even with the apple and the pecans, I'm still going to do just like an old fashioned, and I'm going to muddle an orange in there. What I like to do for this is when I used to bartend, I like to give it a good squeeze to get some stuff out there. And then in the whiskey, I'll take it and I'll muddle it. Now, some old fashions do cherries as well. I don't do cherries in the fall one just because it's no fun. And make sure all that flavor is in there. I do about 4 dashes of bitters. I'm gonna give it just a good little stir. And then I'm gonna put some ice. And then we're gonna garnish it. And y'all, that's pretty much it. See, this right here, this is when your family's really getting on your nerves during Thanksgiving. Just kidding. This is a little bit stronger one. This is definitely a sipper. It is so good. The apple and the pecan flavor really comes through. Y'all, I'm gonna leave all the descriptions. Whew, it's strong though. I'm gonna leave all the recipes in the description box. I hope you liked this video. Again, this was a very short video. If you're enjoying these videos, make sure to like and subscribe. And hit that bell icon so you know anytime that new content drops to our channel. Follow us on social media at Instagram and YouTube at Ormsby Farm. And until next video, be blessed. And happy Thanksgiving. Cheers. I'm going to go back to all of them.
I'm coming home.